How to find someone you blocked on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen. Then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. And click on Settings. Here you want to click on Privacy. Scroll down to the Connections section. And click on Blocked Accounts. And here you will find all the people that you have blocked. And that's it. That's how to find someone you blocked on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.